In this video, we will walk through conducting a search in PrivCo. Begin on the library's homepage, libraries.olemiss.edu. Scroll past the image until you see Search UM Libraries search bar. Below the search bar, you'll see Databases. Once on the database A through Z, click P for PrivCo and find PrivCo in the list. On the PrivCo landing page, you'll see the option to either log in with a PrivCo username and password, or hit the green button to go directly in. You're welcome to create your own unique PrivCo password, but if you'd like to just get started searching, click the green Direct Access button. The search bar is on the top left. Type in a company name, an investor, or a keyword. Once you've typed in a keyword or a company name, select the company or the investor you're interested in from the list below. I'm going to click Perplexity AI. Now I'm on the report for this particular company. I can see that their headquarters is in San Francisco, California, and that they are a private company, and what their status is. Above that, to the right of the company name, I can see a citation option. If I click the citation option, I can copy the citation in a number of different citation styles. To the right of that is a permanent link. I can copy the permanent link and paste it or bookmark it and save it for later. To the far right, you're going to see a download option. Click download, and then you can download the entire report as a PDF and save it. Now, on the landing page, it's called Overview. You can see the year the company was founded, how many funding rounds they've had, their total funding, and their most recent valuation. You'll get a description, a classification with industry and keywords, an About section, contacts, a map of the company's location, and some employee and revenue information. Next, we can click Financials. We'll see income statement and employee figures. If a company has had funding rounds, under funding, you will see all of those rounds. If you scroll to the bottom, the earliest funding rounds are at the bottom. We can see round A, we can see the total amount they raised, and we can see what their valuation was at that time. Please notice that some investors will be green and be hyperlinks. If you're interested in seeing what else an investor who's hyperlinked has invested in, all you have to do is click on them. Finally, under deals, if there have been any merger and acquisitions deals, you'll find them here. This has been a quick overview of searching in PrivCo.